what did you get out of the program? Well, I'm incredibly grateful that I took this course, and it was exactly what I had imagined.
This meditation for me is really incredible.
I was actually surprised.
I think I recommend it to everyone.
I was, wow, okay, it's worked actually.
This is interesting. Something has changed.
I feel really so much hope.
I'm pleased to know about this course or about this possibility to grow. I was very excited because I think it is a very good thing.
And I also recommended it to my mom, and she was like, oh wow, it's so interesting.
I feel the change. I think I can sleep better, and I appreciate more what is going around me and what I'm doing. And I felt a little bit more peace in mind. Yeah, I'm motivated to do more.
I really like the point that we are doing it for our future, and I have the feeling that it can be very valuable for my future.
I really struggled with self-love, and through this course, I could become more honest and accepting of myself.
So for me, the course was also amazing, interesting. I appreciate all the days from beginning to the end. I must say it brings me a stable feeling in my life. So this exercise, we can really come down, come more to peace, and make the right decision.
I felt there was much sincerity in this course, and one really felt well taken care of.
I felt I wasted so much time all these years, and I want to hear myself.
I do really feel like, it helps me in my daily life, especially being a mom.
You're investing in yourself, but actually it's helped to other people.
So much material, and each video is so intense.
Yeah, I've been looking for a course to help me deal with my emotions. I didn't have energy anymore or resources, and I was surprised, and I thought, oh, this is interesting. Something has changed. I had really good experiences. I was more calm during the day. I was more loving, and I had more energy. I feel I have a bit of help or something concrete, a few tools I can use in my daily life and to deal with my stress.
I want to thank you. It's a great job.
It's really valuable for me.
It's really crazy, all those feelings coming out. It's just me sitting there with my feelings and my thoughts, being honest to myself and realizing I'm not happy with where I am, and then having the strength to actually make the changes. So yeah, thank you for just being on this journey, supporting us, and also for my mom and all of us. So I'm just very grateful, and I hope to continue on this journey.